If you guys ever wondered why won't your Exmark ever start, if your Exmark has symbols like this, the PTO, parking brake, neutral, and present, and it just will not start. Sometimes, depending on what's happening here, you won't hear anything click or nothing. So the first thing you want to check is make sure these arrows are all showing up. As you can see, I'm missing my neutral arrow. So that means that my neutral is not in place, and that can be caused by just simply your handles not hitting the safety switch in there, and that won't let it start. Now if your handles are all the way out on both sides and it still won't start, then you might have another issue going on. Same thing if maybe your C switch ain't working, it tells you that. Your PTO switch, if that's something's going on in that circuit, it won't start also. Just some simple things to check if you're running an Exmark mower and you have the smart hour meter.